Everybody knows Malayalam? Yeah?
In Delhi.
No, Delhi, of course. I'm going to speak only in English, before that in Malayalam. Achanai, Ammayai, Andavanai, Ella Divasangalum Bujikine, Punide Bharata Ammayude Purpadangale Namaskarichu. And today we all gathered here to release a book on the most important personality, the spiritual personality, the social reformist that India has ever produced, our Narayana Guruji, and of course the great author sitting here, member of the Parliament of Lok Sabha, my good friend Dr. Shashi Tharoor, Managing Director, Alpha Book Company, Mr. David Devidarji, and my dear sisters and brothers. It actually gives me immense pleasure to address you all on this occasion of the launching of the book, The Sage Who Reimagined Hinduism. The caption itself, the title itself is explaining what is the great work done by Narayana Guruji, the life, the lessons and the legacy of Sri Narayana Guruji by our Sri Shashi Tharoor. Sri Narayana Guruji rose as a spiritual guide at a time when the caste divisions and social discrimination were deeply rooted in our society. Now everybody can talk, no caste. Because we have come across a long journey, but the journey was started by the great Narayana Guru, his immortal spiritual message: one caste, one religion, one God for the humankind. It's also served as the revolutionary call for equality, dignity, and universal brotherhood. He challenged the injustice with the wisdom and compassion through initiatives such as temple consecrations, which were open to all, and also by promoting education. I can also tell you surely it is only because of Sri Narayana Guruji that there is a Sanatan Dharma in Kerala today. Sri Shashi Tharoor had accompanied me during my visit to Sivagiri Mud in the December last year. Sivagiri is not just a place. It is not only on the map, but it is one of the holiest places that every one of us should visit at least once. By visiting the place, you will get the inspiration to treat everyone equally and everyone with high dignity. I can say this book is truly blessed since it was released on the sacred soil of the Sivagiri Mud. That is the specialty of this book, and India's spiritual heritage is not merely a matter of faith. It is the living foundation of our great culture and the social evolution. For centuries, countless saints have traveled across Bharat carrying the light of knowledge, compassion and dharma to every corner of the land. Be it is the tradition of Adi Sankaracharya ji, or the traditions of Ramananda Acharya ji, or the traditions of Sri Narayana Guruji, they reshaped the society through their spiritual preachings. I used to say, if there is no Adi Sankara, there is no United India today. So they challenged the injustice, removed the superstition, strengthened the philosophical thought, and restored the dignity to every citizen. Yet the contributions of many Hindu saints and philosophers have not been adequately or systematically recorded, especially the international languages. Much of their wisdom remains scattered in our regional languages alone, or oral traditions, temple records, and the community memories. So Shashi Tharoor has done a wonderful work that he brought that into the record. The absence of books on the contributions of these saints has created a gap in global academic discourse. As a result, global audiences and even, you forget about the global audiences, and even our own young generations in India often remain unaware of the depth and the impact of their great holy work. I commend and congratulate our Sri Shashi Tharoor ji for writing this book on Sri Narayana Guru, which expand the reach of our heritage to the whole world. Sri Shashi Tharoor ji is a distinguished diplomat, everybody knows. He's a good parliamentarian, and above all, is the most celebrated author. He has enriched the public discourse with clarity, wit, and historical depth. And his mastery of language and ability to interpret India's civilizational heritage are reflected in the many books that have been authored by him, whether addressing Parliament or engaging youth or writing on democracy, culture, and nationalism. Sri Shashi Tharoor ji brings to the table intellectual honesty and moral courage. You all might be noticing when Vande Mataram was singing that he was also following it very closely. I was hearing that also. During the Operation Sindoor, Sri Shashi Tharoor ji led an all-party delegation to important countries. That he has done his job as a true citizen of this country. That is to be appreciated by all of us at all times. He has traveled to important countries to project our national consensus and resolute approach to combating terrorism in all forms at all times. He carried forth to the world our country's strong message of zero tolerance towards terrorism. Terrorism in any form that should not be encouraged and that should be totally eradicated. That is the way that humanity can live in peace. Sri Shashi Tharoor ji has rendered a powerful biography of Sri Narayana Guru ji, throwing the light on a sage whose teachings are for all ages. Sri Narayana Guru ji also emphasized attaining self-respect through work for transforming the status of the disadvantaged. In his message, Sri Narayana Guru ji advocated the honest labor, regardless of its nature. It should be elevated to a position of profound dignity. The book elaborates how the Sri Narayana Dharma, Paribalana Yogam, established in 1903, carried forward Guruji's mission in an organized manner. The SNDP movement became a powerful instrument of social transformation. It promoted education, built institutions, encouraged economic upliftment, and instilled confidence among the marginalized communities. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sriman Narendra Modi ji has said that Guruji's teachings are not just spiritual, they are a roadmap for real social justice. Books preserve truth their protect legacy from dissertation, it will inspire scholars to research deeply, youth to think critically, and the society to act responsibly. If we do not document our spiritual and social reformers with depth and scholarship, we risk losing a vital part of our civilizational memory. That is the great work done by our Sashidharji. I appreciate him for writing this book, which will serve as a bridge between generations. He has broken the barriers of caste, sect, and community and made an immense contribution to carry forward the legacy of our great saint Narayana Guruji. The book allows us to hear the voice of the great saint Sri Narayana Guruji from across centuries. As we remember the great contributions of him, today let us commit ourselves to the ideals of equality, unity, and education. The vision of Sri Narayana Guruji is strengthened by the SNDP movement and articulated by voices like Sashidhar will continue to inspire us, no doubt about it, and to build a society rooted in justice, harmony, and human dignity. And with these words, I conclude my speech. Jai Hind, long live Mother Bharat. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for those inspiring words.